Hello all you coding enthusiasts, great to see you back on our channel. If you're joining for the first time, do hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with all our content. Today we're going to unravel the mystery of upgrading your Julia version and seamlessly transferring your installed packages to the new version. And guess what? We'll explore this through two scenarios. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of Julia. First things first, let's set up our workspace. I've already downloaded and installed the latest version of Julia, which is 1.9 at the time of this recording. As I'm using VS Code, I've updated my Julia path in the settings. As you can see, we are running Julia 1.9 and we've loaded the base Julia environment in our package mode. It's currently a clean state, as confirmed by the trusty status command. But wait, we have a predefined environment from the days of Julia 1.8. The directory is called data frames, as you can see, and when I deactivate the current directory as an environment, the only thing I need to do now is to simply instantiate that already defined environment to transfer the packages already installed when the environment was created and used when Julia version was 1.8. Now let's check which packages are available. As you can see with status, all the packages that have been installed and used within the data frames environment are there for me on Julia 1.8. And voila, with the power of instantiate, we have successfully transferred all our previously installed packages from Julia 1.8 to 1.9. There you have it, our data frames package is now ready and raring to go on Julia 1.9. But what if we want to transfer all packages from our default Julia 1.8 environment to the spanking new default environment of Julia 1.9? Fear not, we've got you covered. Let's take a quick tour of our .julia/environments directory. Here you see all the different versions of Julia we have installed over time, each with its own manifest.toml and project.toml files defining its environment. As expected, our new Julia 1.9 environment is empty, with only a manifest.toml file present. To transfer our packages from Julia 1.8, all we need to do is copy the contents from the v1.8 directory and paste it into the v1.9 directory. Now let's jump back to VS Code and run status in package mode, and voila, all our packages from Julia 1.8 are now happily residing in our Julia 1.9 environment. And just to make sure everything is in order, let's load up the data frames package and perform an update to synchronize everything with Julia 1.9. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of transitioning from Julia 1.8 to Julia 1.9 in not just one, but two different scenarios. That's all for today, folks. I hope this tutorial has shed some light on the process of upgrading your Julia version and migrating your packages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with other Julia enthusiasts out there. Stay tuned for more content, and until next time, happy coding!